Subscribe to RA Solutions by clicking on the subscribe button and clicking on the bell icon to receive notifications. Hello there, welcome to another video about RA Solutions. In this video what I'm going to be doing is showing you some common keyboard shortcuts to help save you time when you're doing your tasks in Microsoft Word. These keyboard shortcuts should work in all the Office suites, so PowerPoint, Excel, the other ones, but mainly I'm going to show you how these shortcuts work in Microsoft Word, and the version of Word I'm using is the 365 version. So what I've got here is a document opened up with some dummy text, some placeholder text. Check out my previous video on how to add placeholder text in Microsoft Word. This document here is 9 pages long. So let's, for example, say you want to paste this the text in the document into a new Word document. You would normally highlight all the text manually, scroll down, which simply takes time to do. There is an easy way to do this, to select all the text. So you can use a keyboard shortcut, and that keyboard shortcut is Ctrl and A. So if I type in Ctrl and A together, it will highlight all the text in that document for you. So it saves you time in selecting all the text in that document. Now my aim is to copy and paste this text into a new Word document. So to copy, normally what you would do is right click, Ctrl and C. However, to take those unnecessary clicks away from the mouse, we're going to use a keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl and C. You press them together and it will copy that text onto the clipboard. The third thing I'm going to do is create the new Word document, the new blank Word document. Normally what you would do to create a new blank Word document is you would go to File and click on New. We don't want to do that. We want to do it quickly by the simple click of a button, or two buttons here, Ctrl and N. If you click them and press them together, there you go, that's the new Word document open here. So what you can do is paste the text which you've already copied into there. Normally what you would do to paste is right click then paste. However, we're using the quicker keyboard shortcut for this. It's Ctrl and V. Press them together and that information has been pasted into that document. There we have it. So that information has gone from one document into this document here. Now what we're going to do, normally you would actually save your work or print your work. To save your work, you would normally go to File and then Save As to find the location or the directory where you want to save it to, which can take a few clicks of a mouse button. However, we're going to use a keyboard shortcut to do this, and the way to do this is by pressing Ctrl and S together. And what we have now is you can choose the location here by clicking the arrow. We can provide a file name for your video, for your document, and then we simply click on Save. Simple. Another thing, what you do is, if you want to proofread your document, you don't necessarily want to proofread it on screen, you want to have a paper version, you would print that document. So normally what you would do in Word, you would go to File, you would go to Print, and when you click on Print, you would need to find the actual printer you want to print it to, which again can take you time to do that. There is an easy way in Word to do that. Is you simply use a keyboard shortcut for this. It's Ctrl and P. And it will take you directly to the print option, and where you can just click on print or change some of the options here, then click on print. So that's hopefully going to save you time using these keyboard shortcuts. These are common keyboard shortcuts which people use if they are very familiar with using Microsoft Word and all the other Office products. And hopefully using these keyboard shortcuts will help save you time in doing day-to-day mundane tasks in Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, or any other Office package. Please like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channels. Peace out.